Here's where most SaaS companies get it. Our client also did SEO the same way, which made his downfall unavoidable. Broken links, inconsistent internal linking structure, indexing gaps, duplicate login pages, confusing user paths. The transformation occurred, it showed up in AI overviews and ChatGPT citations as well. Organic sessions went from 37,000 a quarter to over 83,000 per quarter. Page views rise from 94,000 plus to over 1,97,000. Have you ever noticed why most software platforms become stagnant after initial growth and years of effort? We've already seen it with Hootsuite and Slack. Now, in recent times, similar pattern can be seen for MailChimp and Salesforce. But why does a SaaS brand die out after showing early success? The answer lies in how most SaaS brands think about SEO. Is it just blogs, backlinks, or rankings for keywords? If it is, then this belief will ultimately kill growth. These brands chased vanity metrics while their actual conversion pages were rotting in the basement of Google's search results. This was the case with one of the biggest global digital sports management platform as well, who after operating in over 3 continents was lacking strong online visibility. This is the case study of how strategic website optimization delivered 122% organic traffic growth for a sports management platform through consistent SEO efforts. And no, we didn't just publish more content. We did something that every SaaS brand must do to stay relevant in the eyes of their customers. Today, we'll talk about one of our valuable clients, Sportslomo, and their story. But before we go any further, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Gary and I'm the CEO of Softtrix. We have over 17 years of experience, and in this time, we've been a part of more than 5,000 happy transformations. Lastly, if you want to up your SEO game, you know where to find us. Now, let's get back to our case study. Well, Sportslomo is a serious product that is used to manage any sport. It is used by clubs, leagues, and governing bodies across multiple countries. The platform worked, the technology was solid, and market demand was there, but growth was capped. Organic traffic stalled. Key pages stayed almost invisible, and critical flows like login and registrations were severely underperforming. Now, here's where most SaaS companies get it wrong. They treat SEO like content marketing. Blogs here, keywords there, some backlinks on top. Meanwhile, the foundation stays broken. Our client also did SEO the same way, which made his downfall unavoidable. Upon proper auditing, we realized that Sportslomo's website had several issues that affected the performance. Broken links, inconsistent internal linking structure, indexing gaps, duplicate login pages, confusing user paths, weak or outdated metadata, limited targeting of high-intent sports management screens. These are the issues that will never let a brand grow. Even one of it can make your growth hinder, whereas our client had all of these. What used to happen was a user would come to use their platform, and one or the other issues will force them to leave the platform early without ever converting into a real buyer. But luckily for our client, they found us. And because we had a huge team of skilled SEO executives, we managed to implement fixes at the earliest without any further delay. Our technical experts resolved all identified 404 errors and page not found issues. They also streamlined URL structures for login, membership, and registration pages. After that, XML sitemap and robot files were updated for better crawl efficiency, and the site speed was improved by compressing media and reducing script weight. Lastly, indexing of important pages in Google Search Console was done. These changes immediately started pulling audience, and we could see that they started staying longer on the website. But the work was not yet done. Only the technical aspect was fixed. On-page optimization, content strategy, off-page SEO, and AI adjustments were yet to be done. So we gathered our experts and started pushing full force. We mapped the keywords for high-intent journey, targeting sports clubs and league activities, looking for registration and scheduling. Later, we optimized every content from headers to metadata, landing pages, and even blog posts. This ensured Google and AI models knew exactly who SportsLomo serves, aiding in topical authority. Lastly, we structured their data so they didn't just show up in search, they showed up in AI overviews and ChatGPT citations as well. The transformation occurred due to these steps was absolute. Organic sessions went from 37,000 a quarter to over 83,000 per quarter. That's almost 122% growth. New users and active users jumped by over 100%, crossing 62,000 page views, rise from 94,000 plus to over 1,97,000. Even login and membership pages showed a rise of over 280%. These results followed through because we took their domain authority to 67 and secured over 76,000 backlinks, turning a struggling site into a digital fortress. And this didn't happen because of better content. We know that if technical foundation is broken, any content strategy is just noise. We needed to fix the leaks, focus on search intent, and grow through complete SEO transformation. So, understand that SEO doesn't fail because it's slow. It fails because it's misaligned. Traffic follows structure and growth follows clarity. By fixing the technicalities, improving their on-page, off-page, and content strategy, SportsLomo achieves significant and measurable growth. And today, SportsLomo also appears in AI overviews and ChatGPT citations. Now, if your marketing makes your site looks busy but doesn't move revenue, this might be exactly what you need. Maybe you also need to follow all these steps, and if you feel you do, let Softtrix dissect your system and show you what's blocking your growth. Book a strategy call and we'll tell you exactly where the leaks are. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.